Oh, hello! Just casually, just swinging in. Hello everybody, welcome back to tchan Productions. I am Rosie Rosenthal. I am still taking over tchan's channel because she is nowhere to be found, unfortunately. tchan's is just sick or something. Now the Tylenol must not have been working. And so today I'm going to do a quick makeup of the day look for this makeup look and watch the rest of this video. Alright, we're gonna start with a bare face and oh my, we have a lot to work with. Alright, so start with a clean face, take out your sponge blob round pants, and blob on your foundation. Blob, blob, blob. I want to remind you that I am a professional makeup artist. That is a joke. Do not sue me. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so we're going to use this Urban Decay. I'm filling in my eyebrows with the purple color. We're adding as much color as we want because we're going for this extraterrestrial fantasy look. This is also what I did for my Lumpy Space Princess cosplay. And now you look like the Joker. All eye makeup is basically about the same, where you make it darker on the outside corner and then gradually make it lighter, and really redefining the shape of your eye, creating the shadow, and then you use the rest of the colors and lighter shades and draw it into the center so that it looks like your eyes be popping. I used the purple to contour my face. It looks like I'm about to go in for plastic surgery. This is what happens when you go to Sephora and you can try any free samples. I'm trying to look like a flower barfed onto my face. Using the lightest silver color to highlight my eyes, the magenta as my blush. This looks like a confession that I just killed somebody with these makeup brushes. But I assure you, I am no makeup artist, nor would I make a good murderer. The secret of makeup is really all the blending, because nobody wants to see Crazy Town. I mean, people do, but that's clickbait. Oh, nope, I haven't learned my lesson. And so I decided at this point that it's a great idea to add some dark blue to add some depth for my contour. Now, you don't see it here, but I definitely made a mistake, and I'm like, yeah, I've gone too far, so I'm like, alright, I'm just gonna keep blending it out. Now we're gonna conceal the dark circles under my eyes, partially because I forgot, but partially also because I wanted to clean up any sort of stuff that I might have messed up. Now after that, scratch the itch on your nose and put on eyeliner, because basically if you messed up with your eyeshadow, it just makes it look like, oh, I meant to do that. It's like laughing really hard at your own joke, even though you know it's bad, but you're just like, yeah, I meant to do that. Look at these lashes. Remember to apply lashes. Now to complete this alien look, we're going to erase our lips because lips make us human, and we're going to use the remainder of the lighter foundation and add highlights to cheekbones and the outside of our eyes, because then it makes our face pop in. That's done. And there you have it. I end up looking more like these slippers. Honestly, I don't know where you'd go with this look. I guess you can go to the club, but I don't know if the club would allow you to go in. But hey, you miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Alright, so tchan's is now a makeup channel as well as a sports channel. Here's me shocking Papa Chan. Hey, Ba! Pa?
Yeah.
Do you want to be in a video?
How much you gonna pay me?
Can I give you a makeover?
No.
My name is Rosie Rosenthal. Hi, Ba. How'd you do that with your eyeball?
What? Just,
Crazy eye.
what crazy? I just seeing you will make me look like this.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to free me. And to the right are my new videos, to the left my collabs, and thanks for watching.